love cookies and cinnamon cookies are one of my favorite. And what about the cinnamon roll cookies? Yes, whenever I bake these cookies, my house they smell heavenly. And I bet when you also bake, your house would smell heavenly just like me. Hello and welcome to Magic in My Food. This is Jyoti Dalmia. Let's begin with the lovely cinnamon roll cookies. So for the instant cinnamon roll cookies, I require, simply it's a very easy recipe wherein I'm going to make and bake and eat within half an hour. So here I have taken a mixing bowl, I am adding some all-purpose flour or maida into it. Very few ingredients are required as such. And to that I am going to add salt a pinch, that gives a lovely flavor and it enhances the sweetness of the roll even. And now I am going to add some baking powder goes into it and give a magic mix so that the baking powder mixes very well. You can do one thing even, that is you can sieve both the ingredients together, that is your salt, the baking powder and the all-purpose flour, that would get mixed up more better. Now after giving a magic mix, I am going to add the wet ingredient. Here goes the butter. Now after adding the butter, I am going to mix the butter inside it. That is, I am going to simply rub the butter into the flour so that the mixture resembles like the bread crumb. Yes. Here goes the curd into it. Those who are vegan, they can add vegan curd, that is your coconut curd, that is your coconut milk curd into it. And I am going to simply make a soft dough out of it. Don't give a heavy knead to it, just try to mix it up so that it is airy. We don't want to disturb the airiness which the baking powder is giving to the flour. So just simply knead it with a soft hand and see, it will form a soft dough. See, my dough is formed and I am going to let it cover for 10 minutes. That is, I am going to let it rest for 10 minutes so that it becomes a bit moist from inside. So now I am going to prepare the cinnamon mix which I am going to spread over the dough. So here I have taken brown sugar, I am adding some cinnamon powder goes into it, some all-purpose flour so that this bread does not become soggy, some butter goes into it and I am going to give it a magic mix. Yes, simply mix it up. See, it will form a sandy mixture. The texture is like sand. Perfect. And now I am going to Now comes the preparation of the cookie. So for that I am going to grease my palm and I am going to knead the dough a bit. See, my dough has formed a beautiful dough and I am going to roll the dough out. So simply I am forming a ball, tapping it out, spreading it out, and with the help of the dry flour I am going to roll out a thick dough, that is, you can say a tortilla type. I am going to just spread it out in a rectangular shape. As much possible, spread it out into a rectangular shape. Now I am going to drop the cinnamon mix, that is the sandy mixture which I had prepared. I am going to spread it out properly. Spread it out properly, that is, evenly you spread it out. Try to cover up the total portion of the dough. Spread it out evenly. I have just spreaded it out and now I am going to roll it. Try to roll it as thin as possible. See, it will roll up beautifully. See how it's rolling up. Try to roll it out tightly. Beautiful. I love this portion, this part of rolling. I'm just sealing the edges. With the fingers you can seal the edges. And now I'm going to slice it. Yes, I'm going to slice it into small cinnamon rolls, because I need to bake these cookies. So simply I'm going to take a flossing thread, yes, dental floss. Seen many videos regarding this, using the floss thread for the cutting of the cake or basically cutting of the dough, and I found it's really worth it. It is good. See, it's actually very easier to slice it, because if you slice with the knife, the shape gets distorted, but with the help of the floss, the shape does not get distorted. So I'm going to simply cut it about roughly into 1 inch pieces. You can cut small pieces even if you want. I realized after cutting I should have sliced into 1/2 inch pieces. I am not a very good slicer. A bit afraid, but afterwards I got the knack of it, and so I knew you have to just tie and slash. If you are slow in slashing, the edges won't be as even. See, all are done, and now I'm going to transfer this onto a baking tray. They look so lovely. And now I'm going to glaze with the milk. Yes, so for that I'm preparing a mixture of milk and brown sugar. That would give a lovely golden color, give a magic mix to this mixture. A little sweet the milk will become. You can use coconut milk also, or the almond milk even, those who are vegan, or any milk, oat milk, any milk you prefer, soy milk, and brush it on the cookies. Brush the top portion. This looks so lovely. See, beautiful. It's now ready for baking. So I'm putting this in the oven. My oven is already preheated, and now this goes for baking. I am baking at 190 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes. Beautiful. See how it is taking lovely golden color. Now I am preparing the sugar frosting. So for that I have taken room temperature butter, to which I am adding caster sugar and some milk, and I am going to prepare a thick mixture of it. Yes, see how the sugar is getting engulfed in the milk. Just mix it up. This will form a lovely frost, and I am going to transfer this into a piping bag. Meanwhile my cookies are being baked. Beautiful. See, now the baking is done. I'm just taking out the cookies. They are beautifully baked. Lovely crust has formed. See the sides, they have properly baked. I can see it. They look so beautiful. My mouth is watering. I wonder how the chefs cook in the restaurants, because when they bake, whole house is filled with the cinnamon cookie smell. I am just glazing it with the glaze I prepared, that is your sugar frosting. They look so lovely. This will add a little bit of extra sweetness to my cookies even, and my cookies are done. This I can store it also, but they are very little. I know it's going to be finished up in one session only. So if you have liked it and enjoyed enjoyed it. Don't forget to make these cookies, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and post comments. I would love to answer it. These are the best cookies to prepare when you are simply want to have cookies as soon as possible. So just go and bake these cookies and enjoy these lovely cinnamon goodies. Thank you.